Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video about the Cortexi supplement. My name is Vic and today I'm here to share with you all the complete information about it. Tell you what it is, what it does, if it really works. So if you want to know all of that, stay with me until the very end. For sure, it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. But I also have a really important alert, guys, that you must know before actually purchase it, all right? So stay with me. But it was advanced and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. However, I really recommend you guys to stay with me because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So folks, the Cortexi was designed to help people who suffers from hearing loss. And the best thing about this supplement is that it is 100% natural. So it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, all of that. So it will work inside out, it will work like in a cellular way. Guys, that as time goes by, our brain, our ears, they get full of toxins, and these toxins are really prejudicial to our body, including to the connection from the ear to the brain, because it will really affect this connection, and sometimes that's why you're not hearing well. You have been suffering with hearing problems. So the Cortexi will just flush out all of these toxins from your brain, from your body, and then you will start hear again, like very clear. All right, guys, so that's why the Cortexi works. And as it is completely natural, you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions because it doesn't have any. All you have to do to see these results is take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, but you can also do the complete treatment of 6 months. And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it for a period of time. And if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So you will have nothing to lose, right? But I have an alert to share with you. Guys, the only place you can purchase the original Cortexi supplement from is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video, and that is the only place you can purchase the original Cortexi from. Nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, okay? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about the Cortexi. Thank you so much for watching till here. I hope I have answered all of your questions, but you can check out the complete information and buy the original product on the link of my description.